As major African countries take bold steps to drift away from the crude oil economy, the Nigerian government has unveiled plans to tap into the lithium industry by establishing an indigenous lithium battery factory. This move is designed to reduce Nigeria's dependency on foreign production and foster the local manufacturing of vital energy storage components. The project stands out as the first of its kind in Nigeria. According to the government, no longer will other countries come, extract our raw lithium, manufacture it abroad, and then bring the finished product back here. We are putting a stop to that. Plans are underway to establish a lithium processing factory within Nigeria and a lithium repurposing factory. Very soon, Nigeria will start to see the results. In view of this, the African Development Bank noted that Nigeria has the potential to lead lithium-ion battery manufacturing. In its revised economic outlook for 2024, which was recently published on its platform, the bank noted that this potential is visible with the discovery of over 3,000 lithium pegmatite bodies in Nigeria. The African Development Bank also stated that the country can leverage its gas reserves to support the net zero transition. For years, Africa's largest economy relied mainly on oil, but is now placing its bets on its mining industry. Nigeria wants to bank on the booming global lithium market. Nigeria is currently tightening its rules around mining its lithium minerals countrywide following the rush for it by foreign mining companies. The government noted that no company will be allowed to mine and export raw lithium unless they set up processing and refining plants in Nigeria. As you all know, the much coveted mineral lithium is used in the production of rechargeable batteries and electric vehicles. With discoveries of large lithium deposits in Nigeria, Africa's largest economy wants to profit from the billion-dollar global lithium market. Lithium is currently mined in Nasarawa, Kogi, Kwara, Ekiti, and Cross River states. The government also wants to diversify the country's economy, shifting away from its massive reliance on oil. But it is not only the revenue from lithium that is the focus for Nigerian authorities. They also say they want to ensure that the mineral isn't mined to the detriment of the environment. They have actually warned all foreign nationals like the Chinese to avoid engaging in illegal mining of lithium. According to some environmental experts, uncontrolled mining leads to environmental degradation with dire consequences for the population. When mining, one needs to protect the environment. Reports from the mining industry have unraveled massive discoveries which have literally put Nigeria on the map of the lithium-rich countries. Therefore, controlling the mining and not having a repeat of events in the oil-rich Niger Delta region where oil activities destroy the environment is critical. The worldwide lithium battery market is expected to grow by a factor of 5 to 10 in the next decade. In response to this projected vast increase in the market demand, most governments of the world in some advanced countries like the US has outlined a national blueprint to guide the investment in the urgent development of a domestic lithium battery manufacturing value chain. The benefit derivable from this effort includes equitable clean energy manufacturing jobs, a clean energy economy, and the mitigation of climate change impact. Nigeria is blessed with over 44 identified solid mineral resources in commercial quantities, yet the contribution of the mining sector to the country's gross domestic product has remained less than 1% in each of the past 5 successive years, although it has consistently grown over the same period to 0.85%. The government in recent time has designated 7 of the mineral resources as strategic for focused development due to their commercial reserves and their capacity to accelerate overall economic diversification and development. The strategic minerals are coal, bitumen, limestone, iron ore, barytes, gold, and zinc. In June 2022, global attention was focused on Nigeria when high-grade varieties of lithium was discovered in some part of the country. Since then, several investors have indicated interest in exploring the minerals and or directly purchase it. The demand for lithium globally has skyrocketed over the past decade, with the quantity produced annually increasing from about 28,100 metric tons in 2010 to over 130,000 metric tons in 2022. Interestingly, pre-2015, the global demand for lithium was more in the ceramics and glasses, greases, metallurgical powders, and polymer industries, with only 30% of the entire demand used in rechargeable batteries. As lithium ions have a high capacity to store energy, however, it is projected that by 2030, its uses for battery production will account for 95% of global demand for the mineral. Evidently, the demand for the mineral will not recede given the growing demand for electric vehicles. inverters and consumer electronic powered rechargeable batteries. Example, robotics, smartphones, laptops, and drones. Nigeria's decision to ending fuel subsidy, which may have potentially resulted in high cost of petroleum motor spirit, which is not eco-friendly, has given rise to the lithium option for manufacturing batteries, which offers a great opportunity as an alternative source of energy for the country. The expected rise in the cost of premium motor spirit, which several households and businesses depend on for running their power generators and automobiles, will soon become very uneconomical, pushing individuals and business owners to explore cheaper and environmentally friendly alternatives. The availability of lithium in the country should reduce the cost of producing lithium-ion batteries in the country, which are critical components of inverters, electric vehicles, and smartphones, amongst others. This will foster faster adoption of cleaner energy sources and less dependence on fossil fuel, thereby resulting in a win-win situation for both Nigeria and Nigerians. It will fast-track our journey towards net zero emission target by 2060 and align with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 7 on the provisions of sustainable, cleaner, and environmentally friendly sources of power. Furthermore, Nigeria's interest to build a lithium processing plant in the country in the drive for value addition before export of processed lithium or batteries has the potential to create jobs across the mineral processing value chain for Nigeria's teeming population. The fortunes of lithium minerals also present Nigeria with revenue earning prospects from royalties, taxes and duties, licensing fees, and a whole lot, given the fledgling global market for the mineral. The development of lithium can facilitate new trade ties between Nigeria and other existing and/or potential trade partners, while alluring new trade agreements with developing countries seeking lithium-ion batteries for sustainability. A lithium-rich economy could foster partnerships with global brands which could require resources for their production line. For instance, Tesla, an American multinational automotive and clean energy company headquartered in Austin, Texas, had indicated interest in purchasing Nigeria's raw lithium for export. Although this offer didn't come through with the Nigerian government, it clearly sent the signal that world demand for the mineral from Nigeria is real, given the good grade of the country's lithium and the seeming scarcity globally, occasioned by its high demand. On the global journey towards carbon neutrality, there is going to be a significant demand for more batteries for electric vehicle productions and to support the electricity grid deficit. Thus, Nigeria can count herself lucky to have joined the train of countries currently playing in the lithium market. The opportunities for a thriving lithium economy is vast, and for a developing country like Nigeria diving into the production of lithium battery, it may have significant ripple effect on the growth of the entire value chain of the electric vehicle market. In the long run, this would result in wealth generation for the sector and for Nigeria at large. Guys, do well to drop your honest comment, tell us what you think about this project. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.